Hey guys, and welcome in or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you what should be an easy and most importantly affordable, except for maybe like one product, back to school makeup look. Now I wasn't wearing makeup to school, well, especially in high school, because I didn't start wearing makeup until I was probably a junior in high school. But even in college, you were not about to catch me wearing makeup to class, especially since I had 7:30 a.m. classes. Who was waking up at 5:30 a.m. to put makeup on when it was a struggle for me to get to class on time when I lived on campus without wearing makeup? But I know people do, and I'm not saying like I never wore makeup to class. So if I did, this is around what I would probably be doing. And even though I wasn't really wearing makeup to class, you know what I was wearing to class? My glasses, because your girl can't see to save her life. Okay, so in this video I want to show like one or two little tips that I have for any glasses wearers out there, because we all need to see the board so we can learn, right? And because I don't know where the rest of this was going, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I've moisturized and applied my sunscreen. Now for my glasses wearers out there, you really want to make sure you hydrate this area around the bridge of your nose and your under eye. And really, even if you don't wear prescription glasses, I'm sure all of us wear sunglasses. So if you are looking for makeup tips for sunglasses, just know with moisturizer, you want to make sure you really moisturize these areas right here. Well, your whole face, but you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm sure you've watched a bunch of videos before on tips for glasses, stuff like that. And you've probably heard everyone suggest everything from paint pots to eyeshadow primers to glitter primers. I haven't tried a paint pot before, but I have tried glitter primer and eyeshadow primer, and for the most part they do work. I am going to use one in this video right now, and not only do they help with your glasses on the bridge of your nose, but people have also used them for smile lines and creasing and all that other stuff, blah blah blah. So what I'm going to use is this NYX Glitter Glue on my nose, not so much the bridge of my nose. If you wear glasses, you want to make sure that you're doing it for the glasses and how they frame your face. For me, the glasses don't actually touch the bridge of my nose, so I'm not going to put it there. But if it does and you're trying to stop your glasses from sliding on your face, you might want to do that as well. Let me stop talking and start like showing you what I'm doing. Like I said, we're trying to keep this affordable, but I've tried the Too Faced Glitter Glue, and I've tried the Urban Decay, what is it, Eden eyeshadow primer. Those all pretty much work the same, but this is what we're going to do for this one. So this is the area that my glasses hit my nose, and I'm just patting it in. These all have tacky feelings to them, which will kind of help your makeup stay in place. I've also seen people say that they use this for like here on their nose if your foundation separates or just wears off by the end of the day. Okay, so if you've heard good old cousin Jackie's tips on powder before foundation, then you would know that it's to help your foundation last longer. So we're gonna take some powder. That's what I was saying with the one product that's not so affordable, but it's worth it though. And we're going to set the eyeshadow primer that we just put on our nose to kind of help this area last longer. So just take that damp, ooh, a little too much there, that damp sponge and set pretty much your nose. Okay, so you probably noticed when the video started, I already filled my brows in. I did not conceal them because, you know, let's keep in mind that we're thinking of time as this goes on, especially for college. If you've got class in like 15 minutes, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So back to affordable things for foundation. I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the shade Cocoa, and we're just going to blend that out. I'm not gonna go that hard with foundation because again, we're being time sensitive and I guess age sensitive if we're thinking people who are younger. So for concealer, we're going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and you are in the shade Tan. Now if you watch other videos of mine, then you know I take my concealer like pretty much all the way in here. We're not going to do that for this video just because, again, for the whole glasses thing, you don't want creasing or anything like that, so we're not going to put concealer in that area. So we're really, is it even up? Like this. So we're just gonna keep concealer under the eye. And still highlight the chin and this area right here. Remember not to bring your concealer too high up. Okay, and let's go ahead and blend her out. Now to set our under eye, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie powder again, and I know it's a little pricey, but you know, you're in school for like 9 periods out of the day, and in college, like, you can have classes from 7 a.m. to 7 o'clock at night, so you really want to set your concealer with something that's going to help it stay matte if you have oily skin, which this is going to do, and help you not crease, which is what this is going to do. So if you get everything else in your makeup routine that's affordable, and then, you know, you want to like splurge on this, look around for when they have sales or anything like that, I would highly recommend doing that. And I put too much powder on the brush. Let's just quickly dab there and set. You can go back over your nose if you want to. Again, I don't bake, I just kind of push the product into my face. Alright, and then I'm just going to set my entire face with this Milani Make It Last, I think it's called, setting powder on my face. Okay, and I am going to bronze using this Colourpop, ooh, not bad, just completely blinded you, this Colourpop bronzer. I'm going to try to remember this time to put the name of the shade in the description box down below, but it's literally just the darkest shade bronzer that they have. Blush is also from Colourpop, and I will also try to remember to put the shade in the description box down below. Alright, so I did the little thing where I spray my face with a setting powder. This time around I used the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. I use this one just because it's supposed to have like a little bit more of a dewier finish so that your face isn't that matte and, you know, school and all that other stuff. So I figured you might want something a little bit more skin-like than just, you know, matteness, if that makes sense. And to highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And let's just lightly dust that on because it's never that deep with highlight. I mean, it is for some people, it's just not for me. And for my lips, I just outlined my lips with a dark brown, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. and Alissa Ashley gloss in the shade Nude Rose. And let's just blend her out there. Now, moms to high schoolers, you can go ahead and stop right here, throw some mascara on if you don't want your child wearing lashes in high school. But myself and my college students out there are about to put lashes on because I look like a naked mole rat without them. Alright, so I went ahead and popped on these lashes from Eyelure. These are in the style Radiant. There is lash glue on my actual eyelid. If you see that, I know it's there. Now you might be thinking lashes, but you gotta wear glasses. That's why they have, you know, different eyelash styles. You know, you can certainly go with simpler lashes, the ones that aren't so long they're going to touch your brows, and that is pretty much it for an easy and affordable back to school makeup. Almost forgot something. Alright, don't make fun of my glasses, they fell, they're damaged, I know. But yeah, so this is a makeup look that is easy, affordable, and glasses wearer friendly. Actually these lashes are still hitting my glasses, so I would need something even simpler, but you get the point. I hope seeing this has helped any of you who are getting ready to go back to school, if you are already back in school, or if, you know, you were just looking for a simple makeup look that you could wear to school, to work, to the gym, if you wear makeup to the gym, and if you needed any tips on how to help your makeup wear a little bit better if you wear glasses. So yeah, I hope seeing that has helped. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye! I tried putting on a high school-ish type shirt. Forgot I don't have high school-ish type titties, but yeah, you can't, yeah, the camera cuts off. You can't see that right, to be good. I look 47 now with these glasses. I look like I'm about to snitch on someone. That's what I look like. I look like a librarian. I look like the auntie who never got married and just comes to the barbecue so I can judge everybody else. When the Lord wants you to stop being petty. And best believe I would have gone to class with my hair just like this. Head wraps ain't nothing new to me.